Hi, I'm Anthony Dunstan. I'm co-founder, chef and composer of Smaakt naar Muziek, a food and music event that happens here in Amsterdam and over the Netherlands. I was invited here today to cook for you guys by Marie Christina Roeleveld. This is a Cooks4cooks campaign that was established by African Clean Energy Company, and it's promoting this apparatus here, ACE1. It's a clean energy cooking apparatus which is particularly aimed at women and children who suffer from smoke inhalation, particularly in third world countries where they're mainly cooking over open fire, and the smoke inhalation is the biggest problem. So today I'm going to show you a dish of mine. It's a pasta dish. It's a winter pasta. Cheese. Pepper. And some peterselie. Parsley. That's it. Winter pasta. Champignon pasta funghi. So if you're interested in getting this recipe, just visit Cook4cooks.com. You can leave your address by the website, and you can also receive the cookbook itself. You can check out the video also on Cooks4cooks. If you want to support us, the Cook4cooks campaign, just share the video with people that you know. I myself have invited some friends of mine, Harmen Mellema from Vijf Broden Twee Vissen, and Jacob Broussard, the head chef at the cafe that I cook at, Dwaze Zaken, and they're going to be cooking also to support Cook4cooks. And if you want to support us further, you can donate one of these ACE1 apparatuses to the orphans in Lesotho who actually need this much more than us.